Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastFlow, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up ClickFunnels with the FastMember. So we want to make sure the Fast ClickFunnels add-on is installed. So on the FastFlow dashboard on the add-ons page, we want to come to the free tab. And you want to find the Fast ClickFunnels plugin and just install it and make sure it's activated. And then in the FastMember products, we'll just come into FastMember on the products list. You want to edit one of the products that you want to sync with ClickFunnels. So let's edit this monthly product. And if we come over here to the integrations, and you'll see a new tab here for ClickFunnels. So we're just going to open this. And we basically want to copy this URL here. So this URL needs to be copied and we're going to add it inside ClickFunnels. And also from ClickFunnels, we're going to copy a product ID and we're going to paste it in this box here. So if we're just going to ClickFunnels and inside the funnel settings, so we're inside the funnel itself, we just want to come into funnel settings at the top here. And we want to look for funnel webhooks. So if we scroll down, and it's going to be below Zapier. So we've got webhooks here. We want to manage funnel webhooks. And we want to add a new webhook. So on the new funnel webhook page, basically we want to paste in that URL that we copied from FastMember. And we want to select all events. Make sure version 1 is selected. And then the adapter wants to be JSON API. Okay, so once all these options are selected, we just want to create funnel webhook. Okay, so you'll see the active URL and you'll see an option here for deliveries which we'll use for debugging. So I'll show you that shortly. So basically you want to come back into ClickFunnels and you want to go to your order form. And on the order form itself, there's a section for products which you want to click on. And the product you want to see, basically, when you hover over the edit button, you're going to be shown a preview of the URL in your browser. So in Safari, it's down in the bottom left-hand corner. And in that URL preview, there's going to be a section that says products and then a / and then it's going to be the product ID. So in this instance, it's products / 2359943. So we just want to make a note of that. And we want to come into our FastMember product. So that's 2359943. And we want to add that in here. 2359943. So that is the product ID we want to sync from ClickFunnels, and that's the URL that ClickFunnels is going to send the sync, the API data to. So we're just going to update that product. And that's now ready to receive from ClickFunnels when people make a purchase. So we can now test this. So we come into ClickFunnels and basically want to view our order form. So if you go back to the order form, and when we're on the order form overview page, we want to just copy the order form URL. And we're going to do a test purchase. So I've got this ClickFunnels account in Stripe test mode at the minute. So we're going to do a Stripe test purchase. So I'm going to open a new browser session where it's private. And we're going to select the product we want to test, which is a monthly product. And then we're just going to add our name and email details. And just copy this test card. And paste the card in. And then expiry is going to be whatever your test expiry is going to be. Okay, so now we can do the test purchase. And this should take us to the next funnel step. But at this point, we want to go back and check that the user has been added to FastMember. So we're going to go back into FastMember, and we're going to go to the transactions page. Now, you may see no transactions yet. There is a slight delay with the ClickFunnels API, so it may take a minute or two to actually send the data. So if that doesn't happen after quite a while, we can actually check the logs in ClickFunnels itself. So if we come into the funnel settings again, and we go back to the webhook URL, so we're going to manage funnel webhooks. And you'll see here deliveries, and there'll be a number by it. So we know that something has been delivered to that URL. If we click on it, there'll be a number of attempts, and you'll see a success yes or no column. So basically, we can see one attempt says yes, successful. The other attempts have not been successful yet. So it may be that they haven't actually been sent fully, or then you see that they've just changed to yes. So we know that the attempts are actually going through. So if we go back to FastMember and just refresh this page, now we can see the transaction has actually been sent to the site. So if you're not seeing transactions yet, you need to verify that ClickFunnels has actually sent them. And when they have been sent, it'll say success is yes. And then the successful transaction will appear inside FastMember. And then the member here, you can go click on the member's name, and you'll see the members being added to the product. So being added to that monthly product. And if you've got the email log plugin installed, the post SMTP, you can check the email log. And you'll see the email has been sent out to that user. They've previously registered, so the password is not showing in this email, but we know that the email has been sent. And of course, we can go into our inbox and check the email for the user has arrived as well. So this the ClickFunnels integration will work with the order bumps and the upsells, and you can add multiple products just using a comma to separate them.